So I ended up making a big old U-turn and heading to Black Rose in Hanover. It's been a couple weeks since I've been here, and last time I was here, I really wasn't looking for as many specific themes as I was. So I'm gonna go in. Again, I'm looking for back to the beach stuff, I'm looking for Halloween stuff, I'm looking for poodles, I'm looking for bangles, I'm looking for pink, I'm looking for blue, I'm looking for elephants, I'm looking for Christmas ephemera, I'm looking for all kinds of stuff. So let's go in and see what they got. Kind of kicking myself for leaving my black light at home. This is freaking epic. It's so heavy though. It would cost a fortune to ship. I don't feel like messing with it. That creamer has been here forever. Otherwise I would have gravitated towards it. I know for a fact it's more than I'd like to pay. Okay, well this has not much to do with anything. How cute is this? So I need to do a little bit more research, but I was thinking about doing a vintage toy sale for one of my days and donating it to Toys for Tots. So I want to keep my cost average relatively low since it will not be for profit, but I think this is really fun. For $8, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab it. Now, what is this? This box is hilarious. $12 firm. I think it's shoes. Yeah, let's see what they look like. I love the box. Well, the box is definitely the best part. They're just plain white. $12 is definitely a little bit more than I'd like to spend. I know these are poodles, but it's not my favorite set. $15 for the pair. Yeah, I've had those so many times. Well, Christmas books could definitely be considered Christmas ephemera. I might switch up the theme a little bit. A lot of Christmas ephemera in a row might kind of bore me. This is at $3. That's cute. Let's see. I really want to know what this is. These bigger flocked books. Oh, it's just one of them. That's so cute. Not exactly what I thought. Yeah, again, I want to keep true to my aesthetic. Like I said, this is another reason I'm starting December and all the way in August, because I want to make sure it's up to my standards. Well, speaking of back to the beach, check this thing out. $5.95. Is it broken? I can't really tell what's going on with it. It's very strange. For $6, I'm gonna go ahead and grab that despite the paint loss. Oh, and it's 15% off. Yeah, despite the paint loss on the handle there, that is very different. Almost, I can't tell if it's contemporary or German, but I'm into it. Hey, check out this paperweight. How cool is that? $10. These usually do pretty well for me, and they're definitely on the harder to find side. That is very cool. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I need it. I love the little vinyl oilcloth, excuse me. Tiger 25, even with 20%. What about the rhino, excuse me, not hippo. Gosh, I can't talk today. 18, yeah, that's a little too spendy for me. Turtle. USA pottery, $30. I see a flamingo hiding back here. It's probably out of my price range, but 28 Maddox. And I don't see a discount. Yeah, that's more than I'd like to pay, unfortunately. What is this? Seahorse. $6.50. It's not the most obvious seahorse. Ooh, what's this? We have a fish. Definitely on the newer side, I would say. $12. It's signed. It's kind of cool. But again, a little bit more than I'd like to pay. I kind of like that bowl. Looks like it's got a little amberina to it. Red wavy eye bowl. Edge bowl, excuse me. $10. That seems cheap. What is that? Type case only. Well, again, nothing to do with much, but I kind of love this little strawberry pitcher. $12, no discount. No can do. Speaking of fruit, look at this crazy looking guy. $5. He's super chipped up. I think they both are. Yeah, that stinks. I love those. What's this jewelry box? Got some writing. Looks like it's kind of broken, honestly. Whoa, look at that underwear box. How cool. What is this right here? Oh, I thought it was gonna be Halloween-y. I found one that was Halloween themed at Emmitsburg Antique Mall last year. It was so freaking cool. What is this paperweight? This caught my eye from a distance. Oyster shell souvenir, $5. It's not bad. It's kind of cool. It's like missing a little extra something, I feel like. Oyster shell painted. It just dawned on me. I don't think I've ever actually been this way in the booth. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. $10. That's a little close. Wait, there's all kinds of stuff back here. I don't think I've ever been back here. $25. That's too much for me. This is a cool one. I'm being really weird. Kind of picky. There's an elephant. I've had that one before too. Kind of gonna grab the Dream Pets, even though it's a little bit more than I'd like to pay. I feel like I have enough time to not overpay for stuff. Usually sell those for about $14, which is $12 after fees, so it's like a $2 margin. I'm on the back end of one of the booths I love to look at. They always have such weird little knickknacks, and it's usually very reasonably priced, to say the least. A lot more Boyd's glass. I've gotten pretty lucky on this shelf before. Doesn't look like today's gonna be that day though. The little Marie Antoinette dresser jar, maybe that's part of a set. $5, that's totally fair. But not really what I'm looking for today. And I see the deer one, but that's clear. I like the ones that are marigold. Oh my gosh, wait, what is this? This is the cat that killed the rat. This is the cock in the crowded in the morn. This is the dog that killed the cat. $3.75. That is freaking strange. It's kind of heavy, but I love the graphic on it. I don't want to grab it. It's like really heavy. Let's see what else they have in here, actually. I usually try to go in order, but I'm a little distracted, honestly. I feel like I caught a glimpse of something I might be interested in. So, work backwards. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. How cute. 1981, $4. It's got a little nick in it. That's a pretty vase. Looking at their jewelry. A lot of more. I like the plastic stuff, honestly. And the brooches, but I don't see anything popping out to me yet on the brooches thing. Whoa, what do we have over here? This is very pretty. Really unique shape. $4? $4 sold, for sure. And of course, I do see the Belique ashtray. There's no price on it. I've never been much of a Belique person. I've seen a couple pieces from time to time that have caught my attention, but not really my thing. Not seeing any brooches, like I said. I have so many brooches. I went to this dealer out in Lancaster County and got so many. All right, well, I did put my basket down for this booth. I know a lot of the times the things I like in here are usually pretty close to retail, but looks like they have restocked recently. This tray is awesome. What? Oh, it's new. Dang, made in China. Bummer. What about this? This is cool. Alien lamp. Wait a minute. What is this alien lamp? How cool. Popcorn. Christmas ornament stuff. Vintage blow mold. $8. This is making me very hungry. $8 and 10% off. So $7.10. I might grab that. These are so fun. Glitter. Look. Wait a minute. This caught my attention. How cool is this? Genie. That would have been perfect for the flower power party thing. That whatnot train I did. Did that get glitter on me? It actually didn't really get glitter on me. That's surprising. So for $7.10, I think I am just gonna go ahead and grab this. This will be fun in my rocking around the Christmas tree show, even though it's very far away. It's never too soon to be prepared. I remember the first time I came to this booth when they appeared, I was like, this is the best idea ever. And now I'm kind of like, it's kind of obnoxious to go through all of it. So I can't lie, I've been a little lazy the past few times I've gone through it. Oh, I thought it was a witch at first. That would have been too good. But I'm kind of scanning here. Oh my gosh, how cute. Look at this weird pirate. See, it's $20 though. I can't do anything with that. And another little Cupid, 15. Yeah, a little high. What are these guys? I see snowman. $10 for 1970. Whoa! Look at these little bisque Santa Clauses. $20, $10 each. That's really fair, actually. I'm just being super cheap because I have so much time that I feel like I don't need to overpay for something if I don't feel like it. You know what I mean? Because sometimes I see something like that cat at yesteryear and I'm like, I'm overpaying for this, no questions asked. That's the kind of stuff I want to look for. And of course, you know I love the fuzzy ceramic cat. Unfortunately, $20, no discount. Too close again. What about down here? Little Fenton vase, 17. I almost picked up one for 15 at yesteryear. I decided against it. That probably doesn't glow. It's a little too dark. Neat, but nothing that's really calling for me. I'm surprisingly on my last booth already. This is looking like it might be it for me for the day. Yeah, not seeing too much else. What is this? Oh, that got me before. That is a stonefish and it weighs like 50 pounds. All right. Ooh, wait. Vintage magic 8-ball stuff. That's amazing, but it's also $38. Dang. Well, I got out easy there. Spent a cool $35. I think that's it for me for the day, but I will be back. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 10 a.m.